Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2 Serum. So as you can see, this is a sample bottle. It has 7 ml of product in it. I did some shopping from Sephora some time ago, and since I had bought a lot of stuff, so they were kind enough to give me 2 bottles of this ANR for free as samples, in fact, because whenever you go to Sephora for shopping, they do hand out some samples to you, and if your bill is of a really good amount, then you will end up having some samples of high-end products like I got. And I think I'm really lucky because the smallest available size of this ANR is of 20 ml and I got 15 ml for free. So it was a good deal for me. And let me tell you about this serum. To begin with, its consistency is very light. There is no fragrance in it and it's not sticky at all. It is of slight yellowish color, light yellowish color. And according to the packaging, it says that it's an anti-aging serum and it has some good prebiotics stuff in it which helps in rejuvenating your skin. Basically, when you apply it on your face, it penetrates deeper into your skin and then the skin is able to exfoliate itself and the new skin is generated. So for someone like me who's in late 30s and is always looking for products to make the skin youthful and free of fine lines, this is a really good product. And let me show you how to apply it. So this is the serum. I like to take some on my fingertips and apply on my face. So I'm just kind of making dots on my face with the serum. I am going to dab it in later, but to begin with, I am just putting small dots on my face. You can even apply it on your neck if you want to. So now that I have put it on my face, I'm just going to gently dab it in with my fingertips. So I use this twice, once in the morning and once in the evening after cleansing my face. You can even put on your moisturizer after applying it. I usually wait for like 5 to 10 minutes before applying any kind of moisturizer. And yes, if you would like to try a high-end product which can also give you good value, you must try this ANR by Estee Lauder. And if you do try, please let me know in the comment section below what was your experience like after using it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.